Hello lovely, it is Ada's recipes here. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I share how to make crunchy and tasty chin chin flakes. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. Continue watching as I walk you through. Is easy, so easy and simple to come up with. Let me share with you. The first thing you're going to do is to make sure that you sift your all-purpose flour. So it's very important to sift your flour to trap unwanted particles. So guys, are you seeing these particles? So add sugar, salt, powdered milk, grated nutmeg, margarine. Then you rub in the margarine in the flour. So this is okay like this. Make a hole, then add water, little at a time. Then you mix. So continue to mix until you get a dough. So transfer to a flat surface and continue to knead. So you're going to knead this for about 15 minutes until you get a smooth and soft dough. So as you guys can see, our dough is smooth and soft. So divide the dough like so. Guys, remember that what we are making is chin chin flakes. Using a rolling pin, you're going to flatten this dough. You're going to make sure that it's well flattened, like very thin. That is how you're going to get that flakes texture. Okay, so once you add it to the oil, you're going to see those bubbles. Okay, so you can achieve that when the dough is very flat. So make the dough as flat and as thin as possible. Then you use a wheel cutter to cut the dough like so. If you don't have a wheel cutter, you can use any other thing that works well. You can improvise, okay? So you can as well sprinkle some flour on the surface, then you place the dough, then you flatten it, so it can help hasten the whole process. Here is the cut chin chin flakes dough. In a dry pan, pour in your oil, then leave to heat up. Then you add the chin chin flakes dough. So guys, the flattening of this dough is the most important thing in this chin chin making. So if your dough is as flat and as thin as possible, it tends to bring out that flakes texture, okay, and it also tends to bubble well. So as you guys can see, it has bubbles on it as I'm frying it now. So make the dough as flat and as thin as possible. No baking powder was added and it was soft and light, okay, you know, it gave that flakes kind of texture chin chin, okay. So this is the simple and easiest way on how to make this chin chin recipe. So it's done when it's golden brown. Transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. So guys, our chin chin flakes is ready. So this chin chin flakes is a recipe you should try out and you're going to love it. Thank you so much. And for the recipe measurements, check the description. See you guys in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye.